Personally, what this workshop has impacted on me is the ability to make abstract concepts very, very simple. Going through the workshop or going through the activities during the workshop, I've been able to have a practical experience with regards to chemical reactions. Initially, it was very abstract to me and very difficult, but going through the processes, going through the workshop and the activities in the workshop, using bottle tops and other materials to represent the atoms of chemicals, I've been able to narrow the abstract nature down to its simplest form. It has made me understand the whole thing better. Initially, I thought it was very difficult, but now, because we went through this particular practical way of teaching, it has made the whole thing simpler for me.